Hi, I'm Derek with Design Environments, and the purpose of today's video is to show the correct spacing for the Streator brackets for the grid in your store. There are two basic sizes of grid that you'll use in your store. One is the 2 foot by 4 foot grid and the other is 4 foot by 4 foot. For today's video we're going to use the 2 foot by 4 foot. The problem that we've had is that people try to find the correct spacing from one bracket to the next to match up with the grid. Basically what you want to do is have 10 open slots or 15 inches from the top of the top bracket to the top of the second bracket. Okay, I've got the grid brackets in. They're both at 15 inches from the top of this bracket to the top of this bracket. And since the spacing on the grid is 3 inches on center, it should line up perfectly. I've also done the same to this side over here. The next step is putting up the bracket, or the grid itself. Okay, as you can see, both the top bracket and the bottom bracket are holding both these lines of grid perfectly secure on both sides. That should hold the grid nicely in place. It'll be a little bit loose when there's no weight on it, but once you load up the grid, everything should weigh down and be a little bit more secure. The other option is to use 4x4 grid, and when you do that, the spacing from the top of the bracket to the top of the bottom bracket should be 30 inches instead of 15. Please check out our other videos at YouTube/Design Environments.